the new website which will be launched on February 10th, 2024, which is called Fleshmula. This website, it is going to pay. Okay, so if you've not joined the group, just check the video description. I pasted the group there. Just click on the link to join the first group, which is at the video description, so that when they launch it on 10th February, you can also join that website. Okay, so here today I'm going to show you the earning structure of the Fleshmula, which will be launched on February 10th, and indeed this website is going to pay. Okay, so with the Fleshmula, some of the ways through which you will earn on Fleshmula is by performing taxes as well as doing referrals. Okay, so with the performance of the taxes, you are going to perform taxes like watching YouTube videos, TikTok videos, clicking on paid ads, also answering simple trivia questions, as well as doing promotions. Okay, and also one major way we earn on this affiliate networking is that we do referrals. Okay, referrals. So here the breakdowns on that of the tasks that you are going to perform, such as the watching of the YouTube videos and the rest, is what I'm going to give to you now. So when you join this site, that is, you register with 60 cedis, and when you register with 60 cedis, you unlock the magic of earning on the site. And anytime you watch YouTube video, you are going to be paid 3 cedis. Anytime you watch TikTok videos, you are going to be paid 3 cedis. Anytime you perform ad clicks, you are going to be paid 2 cedi 50 pesos, and anytime you answer trivia questions, you are going to be paid 4 cedis. And the trivia questions, it is 4 questions, and each question answered correctly, you are going to get 1 cedi. So if you get all the 4 questions correctly, you are going to get 4 cedis for performing such a task. Okay, and the major earnings on this site is by doing the referrals. And the referrals, if you share your link and a friend registers through your link, you are going to get commissions on that. Okay, so the commissions you are going to get on the referral are in 3 levels. Okay, so for instance, if you register and I use your link to register, you are going to get 25 cedis. And if I also use my link to let a friend register, I am going to get 25 cedis. You are going to get 12 cedis. And if a friend whom registered through my link also registers another person through his or her link, he or she is going to get 25 cedis. I am going to get 12 cedis, and you are at the same time going to get 7 cedis. And this is the earning structure on that. And one important thing I want you to know about this is that with the performance of the tax earning that will be added to your account balance is the TikTok videos, YouTube videos, and that of the paid click ads. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal is 45 cedis, 45 Ghana cedis. It is going to pay because the earning structure is very nice, and also your earnings on the performance of the tax will be added to account balance is also great. Okay, so this is the earning structure, and I will encourage you to just check the video description there. The WhatsApp group is there. Just click on the first link to join the WhatsApp group, so that any update concerning the Fleshmula, you are going to get it, and also know the best strategy that you can use to get more people to register through your link. Okay, yeah. And one thing I also want to tell you is that with this affiliate marketing and networking, if you really partake in it, you are going to make cool cash. You are going to earn more because it is really paying and people are enjoying. This is a way of making money online. I'm only showing you a way that I make money online. Okay, here's the talk tech. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video. Also, do not forget to share this video to your friends. Here is the talk tech. That is the talk of the tech.